Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about prompt engineering, one of the fast growing skills in generative AI. Before we understand prompt engineering, let's quickly answer one question. What is a prompt? Any instruction or question you give to an AI is in prompt. For example, asking your phone, set an alarm for 7 a.m., asking Google, best laptop under 60,000, asking ChatGPT, explain cloud computing. All of these are prompts. Prompt engineering is simply the art of asking better, clearer, and more specific prompts to get better results. Here's a simple example. If you ask explain Python, you'll get a very generic example. But if you ask explain Python for a beginner data analyst with real world examples, suddenly the response becomes more useful and relevant. Same AI, better question. Let's take another example. Instead of saying create a workout plan, you say create a 20-minute home workout plan for beginner with no equipment. The output instantly improves because you gave context and constants. That's prompt engineering. The idea is simple: clearer input, better output. You don't need to code, you don't need advanced math, you just need to communicate your intent clearly. Good prompt engineering follow three rules. Be specific about what you want. Provide content or role when needed. Refine and improve based on results. Prompt engineering is powerful because it allows everyone, student, professional, creators, to get customized results from AI. And that's why it is becoming such an important skill in the AI era. In the next video, we'll see how prompts alone aren't always enough, how techniques like fine tuning takes things further. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.